So this video is about why I think basically everyone should get smart sockets. So the smart sockets I'm going to show in this video are made by Teckin, but I've actually used a lot of different smart sockets and they're basically more or less the same with a few small differences. So the main differences you'll see in smart sockets is the shape. So these Teckin come in a 4-pack, which is really nice, and they have a round shape that unfortunately is big enough that you can only plug one of these in per dual outlet, or however you want to say that. So on these smart sockets, there's a button on this side that allows you to manually turn it on or off, and then it also allows you to reset the smart socket if you need to do that. So when I personally get smart sockets, I look for smart sockets that use this Smart Life app because it supports many different cheap Chinese brands, and I basically just get what I can find that is cheap. Setting up a smart socket is fairly simple. So you just select that you want to add a smart socket, and then it will ask you to provide the app with your 2.4 gigahertz network credentials. Then your phone will go ahead and search for the device, and it sends the network credentials to the smart socket so that it can connect. And then once it has connected, you can give it a name and location. So I also like to add it to Google Home, so I can use this with all my Google Home minis, and it also works with Alexa. While the most common thing I use these for is turning lights on and off, I also use these to turn on my tea kettle in the morning. I use this with some window fans, and I even use this with my swamp cooler. Hey Google, turn on the tea kettle.
Sure, turning the tea kettle on.
Hey Google, turn on the living room lights. Hey Google, turn on the north window fan.
Okay, turning on the north window fan.
Hey Google, turn on the swamp cooler and the south window fan.
You got it, turning on 2 things.
Smart sockets make things really nice for automation. I have it set up so that when I'm sleeping at night, the fans will turn on to cool the home, and then they turn off immediately when I wake up, and then the lights come on and the tea kettle turns on, and it's just really nice and convenient. When I go to bed at night, I can easily turn off all the lights in my home as well. So really there's just a ton of possibilities for what smart sockets can do for you. If you're interested in these smart sockets in particular, I will go ahead and post a link below. And if you've never used smart sockets before, I definitely think you should go ahead and find something that you think you will like and try it out. Hey Google, turn on kitchen lights.